These black bean burritos are deliciously rich and creamy due to the addition of cream cheese. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where we are making healthy versions of the foods that we love. And today it is a black bean burrito. And as I mentioned earlier, the cheese of choice in this recipe is cream cheese. Super creamy is what you're going to get with this filling. Another key to making this super delicious is to make sure that you season very well the black beans that we use in it. Your choice as to whether or not you use a regular black bean or a soy black bean. The difference is the carb content and then the level of protein. And you can use seasonings such as a cumin. I've got some chili powder, minced garlic, and I also have some base seasoning here as well. And I'm telling you, when you use these seasonings and you season these beans, so special and so delicious. And of course, because I'm trying to keep this on the lower carb side of things, I am opting to use a low carb tortilla shell. So you guys, without further ado, this is how it's done. To this pot, I'm going to add some olive oil and now add in our onions and our red peppers. And we're going to continue to build a flavor with some of this minced garlic. I've got some vegetable base. Add in our beans. So guys, I've made this before, so I know I need some salt. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. But feel free to wait to the end to add the salt because again, the bouillon does in fact have salt in it. Next, we're going to add in our seasoning, which is some garlic powder, some chili powder, and some cumin. Now add in water. And we're going to let this continue to simmer until this water has reduced and these beans are nice and tender. Okay, everyone, it's been about 10 minutes and this is exactly what we were looking for. That liquid has evaporated and these beans are nice and tender and all of these flavors have come together. So at this point, we want to add in our cream cheese. And continue to mix it until it melts down and combines with these beans. If you are enjoying this recipe and you're looking for more healthy versions of the foods that we love, just click the link above. Some cilantro. Give this a mix. Turn off this flame. Okay, so I've got a tortilla shell here. I am going to put some lettuce in the center. And of course, you guys, at this point, you do exactly what pleases you. All right, so we've got some chopped up lettuce. We've got some diced tomatoes. And now spoon in our bean mixture. And you can still see the steam coming off of this, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to add just a little bit more shredded cheese. And now it's time to wrap. So I'm going to fold in the center. And roll. Trying to tuck in all of these ingredients to get a nice tight pocket. Now that you see how easy it is to make healthier versions of the foods that you love and you want to see more, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. Thank you all so very much for being here. And if you enjoyed this video, then please do remember to give it a like. And also, if you know anyone that would benefit from what we are doing on this channel, and that is making healthier versions of the foods that we love, then please do share my channel with them as well. And also please do remember to subscribe by pressing that subscribe button below. And as I always say, you guys, before we sign off, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you soon.